on you. Ready?
No, I beat you.
Scissors cut
Scissors
paper.
beat paper, so be quiet.
Oh.
You know I beat you once. You try to
Yeah.
I win you.
Guys, this is what the kids are
Please
here.
say it. Please say it.
How?
Alright, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do real food versus cereal. Yes, guys.
And this plan came up by Damon and Bianca.
From the Prince family. Yes, guys. That's how they do this video. And I said, you know, the kids will love this video. So guess what, guys? I'm going against them. So whatever I choose, I'm going to try it. And whatever they choose, they're going to try it. As you can see, guys. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Let me fix the camera properly so y'all could see what's going on here, guys.
So, tell them how me and him on against Steve is against you.
They're against me. Okay, guys? Guys. Everything looks so good, so I don't even know if I'm going to enjoy the real or if I'm going to enjoy the fake.
Both of them.
Not fake, the cereal. Whew. You want a shovel? You want it? Good. Oh, you don't want to rub it? Oh. Guys, this is round one. Hurry. Hurry, you done it?
We gotta beat her in
Rock, paper, scissors. Ah, you do this. I win.
No, he gotta go now.
No, because both are together.
No, but he didn't pick anything.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yes!
No.
Yes, he's on my team. So he won.
This paper. This is a paper.
Paper beats rock. Comment down
Paper
below.
cannot beat rock, guys.
Comment down below if paper can beat rock. Y'all know that paper can beat rock.
Rock. Oh, paper can beat rock.
Paper can beat
But
rock.
Auntie, stop acting dumb, Auntie. Could you
Guys, they're teaching me. I don't really know how this rock, paper, scissors go.
Guys, comment down below.
Comment down below. I'm saying
paper
rock
beat
has
rock.
to be paper.
No,
So-
never.
Which one y'all choosing?
Paper covers rock.
Hurry up.
So what should we decide right or left?
We gonna go with this. No, we gonna go with the.
Guys, they're always cheating.
Guys, we're not cheating.
I'm gonna get them on the next round, guys. I gotta get them. No. Okay. So, guys. Cereal.
Yeah.
I got cereal, guys.
We got.
So you got
So, we're gonna go first with the Pop-Tarts. What the Pop-Tarts, boy? See it, Pop-Tart and the new brand. Yes, guys.
We got real food, guys.
Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Can you give me my cup and my spoon, please? Where's the milk? Get the milk from the fridge.
I'll get our Pop-Tarts out.
I'm not even gonna try a lot, guys. It smells sweet.
Where's the milk, guys?
It's in a bag. Oh, see right next to it.
Oh, shit, bag.
Guys, we spend lots of money on these.
But guys, it's for you guys. We're doing it for you guys. You guys are there because we love you guys. No, we're gonna end on one.
Oh, I like it.
Alright, guys. So I'm putting it
Scoot
in.
over.
Do y'all
Actually, scoot over.
mix or do y'all just throw it and dip? I like to mix it. I'm not really a fan of cold.
You gotta put more milk in it.
I don't want more milk. It's already swimming.
Which one you want? Guys, I don't like the crust part, so
Yeah, I really
I'm not gonna eat that.
I really don't. Got
This
the
is good.
strawberry.
It's just too sweet. It actually tastes like the Pop-Tarts.
It says Pop-Tarts on it, Auntie.
I'm eating all of it, guys. You're lucky. Tastes good.
I want to say next one that got like liquid inside of it. Because my mouth is dry.
Yeah, God, I'm not taking another bite.
Oh. So, see what I'm talk about cereal win.
So basically, guys, if you get cereal,
You're lucky.
lucky.
Of the challenge.
Auntie is coming out. You cheating.
I don't know what's happening. Waffles.
You cheating, Auntie. You
Guys, these kids always say I'm cheating. I don't cheat them. I'm honest. Why you have two of them underneath one?
That was you.
Come, work with me. They always do. You're asleep. What you want? Huh? You need to sleep or you're tired.
Here. Shuffle, Amari.
You don't know.
I'm gonna shut one up. It's messing up. Bro.
Not like we could see the words from there. Ready? Ready.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. I want you. Ready?
No, I beat you.
You
Scissors.
can't.
Scissors cut
Scissors
paper.
beat paper, so be quiet.
Oh.
You know I beat you, Auntie. You try to
Yeah.
I win you.
Guys, this is what telling kids are
Please
here.
say liquid. Please say liquid.
How?
Alright, guys. So, this is round 2 of the another challenge. You are ready for it? You are ready? So, guys, we didn't get the same type. Twinkle. Don't worry. It's still twinkle, though.
Twinkies.
Twinkies.
So now?
Choose.
Alright. I'm gonna go for this one.
Alright, so I take that one, I take this one. Where you get?
I got real again.
I got cereal.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, you're cheating. She's cheating, guys.
Guys, did I ruffle?
Guys, she's cheating.
Did I pick? I'm glad y'all see who pick.
Guys,
didn't pick.
she's cheating.
I didn't pick. You pick. So unfair cheat.
Guys, she's cheating. Come on.
Guys, all I cheating when I'm not the one picking.
Guys,
Y'all
she's
see
cheating.
they win me 2 times and they are the one who picked.
Guys, she's cheating. Go ahead.
All your dry food over there, so pass me my cup and my spoon.
How about you can get it?
Pass me my cup and my spoon.
Your spoon right there.
Yes, guys, look at this.
Guys, she's cheating.
You want some, sir?
No. We don't want none of that.
I don't want dry food.
This is like good.
Dude, stop calling me when I'm in the... Guys, sorry for that.
Frankie. I hope this tastes good enough to taste saggy. I can't better with saggy cereal.
Well, time to have your mouth dryer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nasty.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
I don't like this.
This pretty good.
I'm gonna try mine. I've tried it before, but
I don't like this.
I'll try strawberry now.
I didn't give me a quarter.
This good. Like, seriously.
I don't like this.
I can't even know about you.
I don't like this, guys. I don't like the Twinkie something.
It's good.
So I'll say no for the Twinkie. You want me to taste y'all?
It's good.
Let me taste it. Can you tell us something?
It's good.
What is that?
It's good.
It's not good.
Dude, it's good. It's
Too
real
sweet.
good, girl. Ooh.
I would never eat Twinkle. I don't see what the fuss for. Hey guys, welcome to round 3 of our video. Yes guys, boy, I'm glad I didn't choose that nasty ass twinkle sandwich. Where is it? Twinkle cake? Is it a cake in the last one?
I go.
You don't want to rub it? You're cheating. Close your eyes.
I'm not cheating.
Bernard, come up.
Dude, you gotta scoot over.
Come up.
Scoot over.
So you want me to pick it?
Y'all could share, it doesn't matter.
You want me to pick it?
Come.
You wasn't
Rock.
supposed to spin it. You cheating.
Oh, make us supposed to spin it?
No.
I didn't even realize what I did.
Which one you want? Pick.
Rock, paper, scissors. We didn't do
Oh
that.
yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors.
shoot. That should be me. You gotta win it for me.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Let's go.
Who win?
Yo, we won. Oh yeah.
I bet
Every time they win. I
this one.
I told me not know how the challenge go.
it's dry.
Serious?
Guys,
Well, my mouth's gonna have to be dry no more. Cause I'm finna
We finna smash.
go ahead and get you this right here, cause
I'm finna get you a cup, Ari.
my cereal. Yes.
Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, I was so hungry. Wait, where's your cup?
let me tear it too. So I'm not tear back bad. Yes, guys, I'm helping them out so
Whichever
they
one
don't rip
comes,
the
one
bag.
Bad.
We got
Let's
it.
go. I love this cereal too. It's good for eating in the morning. Pass me my milk, please. Auntie, you cheating.
No, I'm not cheating.
Y'all each one. No. Y'all didn't give us none of yours.
I asked y'all if y'all
Oh,
want
yeah,
to
she
taste
did
it.
ask us though.
Just so you know.
Ooh, man.
Guys,
You don't get to have none.
Oh, Lord.
what she?
Auntie.
Guys,
yes.
all my thing throw away. Throw away.
You don't get none.
This actually tastes good. This is darker. Look at dark time. Yeah, man. This tastes
I'm
good.
worried about this, not that.
So this, guys, is like chocolate and peanut butter. It's actually good.
It's the chocolate, that's peanut butter.
I feel so much hungry. I mean, I'm hungry. You hungry?
Not really.
It's good. You can go see McDonald's. This is good. Y'all want to taste it? For real?
No.
Taste
I
it.
tasted already.
No.
This is my first time trying
No. We gonna eat ours. We deserve this.
this. I tell you to come over. Hold on, I don't come over.
My food a little bit.
Guys, I'm fixing the camera. Put it on. You love it so much?
Bro, you bought some good cereal. You tripping.
Guys, they're going
Comment down below.
to
Comment down below if you like Reese's Puffs. Bro, this is so good, dude. Like, put my milk over here.
Guys,
Bro, that junk is so freaking good. I'm gonna put your drink, milk right here so you can know which one's yours.
real versus fake. Real life. Hey, Where's the next one? Where all on? Where's your paper? 4. Guys, you're around 4. You may be smoking. Guys, take a spin.
What you said? Stop cheating, paper.
Not like y'all can see what's under there because it's like a fold.
Dude!
Just
I'm more spinning.
give them flat out so you can spin. They get an aggregate.
Alright, come on.
Oh wait, no, shit, he gonna disappear. Guys, he's shaking the plate like he gonna disappear.
Alright, let's move on to breaking.
I don't want to cheat them. I just see what's under this.
Me too. I see what it was, but I was gonna let you spin it because I seen Siri under it.
Ready?
Aren't you sure you don't want to spin it a little bit more? Because I seen what it was.
But me switch it up. Rock, paper, scissor.
Shoot.
Y'all win.
Oh, from I beat you one time?
Yeah.
Oh. So,
Guys, I don't know why they beat me every time.
Mom, which one you think?
I want
Oh,
this one.
this one.
Any, mini,
I want this
miny, mo.
Can you take a break?
Can I get
This
this
is
one?
all let it go. Any, mini, miny, mo.
This is one out. Okay, that's cereal. Let's go.
Let's go. This cereal?
No.
Yo, get that thought to my face.
No,
Cereal.
we got the
Yo,
cereal.
get the thought to my face.
Cereal, guys.
We got the real.
I got cereal, and we're gonna do the.
Yo.
Shut up. No.
No. Dude, Auntie.
Auntie.
No.
The Oreo. Chipotle is better than Oreo, so let's do these last. Right? Should we do these last?
Dude, please. Oh, no.
Last, Auntie, because you know you're going to do Oreos. And you know Oreos are better.
So yes, guys, these kids want to get me mad because they want to eat what we're not ready for yet. Yes, guys.
Chipotle is better than Oreo.
Wait till I'm up now. Yes, guys. So I got the cereal.
Well, I'm eating this with my milk.
Okay.
Dude, look at those. Dude, I don't think we can eat it with milk, guys. Because they'll make it seem like it's cereal. That would be cheating, right?
Yes.
Guys, comment down below if you play Fortnite.
Let me get on something copyright.
Tag your name down below.
We need to get a gaming channel for you.
Guys, if you play Modern Warfare, what's it called? Fortnite, GTA, put your name down below. If you play on
this is actually good. This is like eating the chips that I cook it with milk.
So why do you say you don't know how it tastes?
I just taste it. That's all I know. I eat this all the time. And that just have chips that I cook.
Too dry.
I'm not the same brand.
Hold on, I'm not getting another bite.
Too dry.
Mari died. Died the heck of our Mari. Guys, You want some?
No, not funny. Like, seriously.
Woo-hoo-hoo. So yes guys, they're saying that the Chips Ahoy cookie is too dry, but I actually enjoyed the cereal. Hey guys, welcome to round 5 of this video. So yes guys, I'll be doing this part by myself. You know, it's real versus cereal. I want real. This time I want real. What do you want?
Cereal.
I want real.
Oh, cereal.
This one look like he's dying, like somebody's killing him. See him? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Ready again. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! I don't know why they're all doing it. I feel this boy is watching my hand. You already take that. I try it. Right.
Cereal, let's get it.
I know I want my.
Oh! Wait! No! Or the ice cream too. Or the both, kind of.
You see how this big?
I'm getting a new cup back. You want a new cup?
Yeah.
Auntie!
That's my spoon. The one.
This is my spoon.
Cookie and cream. Cookie and cream. Yes, guys. Cookie and cream ice cream, cookie and cream cereal.
Guys, it look like it got the cream inside of them. Like, look, you see like the little dots on them? It look like it's filled.
Guys, my ice cream actually melt, but guess what? This is all I like it. I just put my ice cream in the microwave, guys.
Guys, she does it so weird.
I'm not gonna really eat a lot of this, guys. So comment down below if y'all love cookie and cream ice cream. Actually, cookie and cream ice cream is my favorite ice cream, guys.
It smells good. It smells pretty good.
Yeah, that looks so good.
I'm not gonna get a lot because
That look real good.
well, you're not getting any.
Let's taste good.
So don't ask for any.
Yeah,
And you're not getting this one. So back off.
Guys, so it's cookie and cream.
You want to smell it, Auntie?
Pass me the milk, please. Thank you.
They're trying to sprang on me, guys.
Like you did to what?
Oh, this is good.
I love this. This is good. I don't know all the cereal tastes, guys, but
Bro, dude. As soon as you bite into the junk,
they make me want to have some.
try some. Like, seriously, guys, I'm not gonna be stingy this round. I'm gonna literally try that junk. As soon as you taste that junk, it tastes like it.
Yeah, the crunch. Oh god, it's so good. I like the ice cream more though. I'm not gonna front.
Ice cream probably a win.
Yeah, the ice cream win.
Mm-hmm.
I love cookie and cream ice cream, guys, and this ice cream tastes good.
Trust me, if this milk was a little bit colder,
As I tell you guys, I like my ice cream, and I'm mashing this out to my like. Some people might say she's nasty. Why is she doing that? Yes,
guys, comment down below when you get ice cream. Do you dip your fries in it? But I know some people out there, and don't be capping because the Lord watching you.
Anyway, I'm full. Yes, guys. So as you just see, I taste the cereal, and I got that the ice cream. But
dude, pass me it, dude. Pass me the cookies and cream, dude, please. No, the cereal.
You like that so much?
Will give me some more too?
Welcome back to round 6 of this video. Yes, guys.
Oh, sorry.
This is the last one. I want to get real. I want to get real this time. Again, I want to get real. Because what I'm about to get, I could eat that and go to bed. Yes, guys, I want to get real. Them picking up teeth, you know? Any minute. Guys, we're just taking it.
My ears are bleeding. Guys, tag Damien and Bianca down below. Tag
the
them.
Prince family. We got this challenge from them. Oh God, I love the Prince family. And don't forget, guys, to go subscribe to my sister YouTube channel, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's VIA''S Kitchen and Lifestyle. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below, guys. Don't forget to go and subscribe to her channel. Yes, guys. So time to get in this. I want real. What you want, baby?
You spent already.
Real or fake? Real or cereal? Cereal? I want real. So we get what we actually wanted. So you want cereal, I want real. What you want, Mari? Cereal? He's a cereal boy. He like junk food. He don't like to eat. You gotta cuss him to eat. You gotta stand up over and listen, you have to eat. Hey boy, I like myself. Rock, paper, scissors. Baby, you do guys, you be watching my hands.
Obviously, that's how you win. I gotta watch your hands in as soon as
pick one. Pick one. Does anyone that touch it have to pick? You have to do that with him now, guys. I'm teeth, you know?
Nah, don't touch it yet. Don't touch it. Just which one you
Oh, you?
I would say this was. I would say this. Which one? Rock, paper, scissors then. Even though we on team. Rock, paper, scissors.
You said I'm teeth, guys. Them have to go against them one another now. That's how teeth they don't even know. Why me get cereal, man? Now?
Yeah, I don't want that. Me not do this challenge no more.
We could switch. You want to switch?
Yes, let's
guys, we're gonna switch this one. We're gonna switch. Don't say
switch.
we're not playing it fair, but we're gonna switch. So, did you know that it actually have waffle cereal? Yes, guys, it have waffle cereal. I don't want waffle cereal.
Guys, you covered up my face.
Waffle cereal, guys. Guys, you see this, guys? You see this? Waffle. But I already got my waffle warmed. Let me get my syrup. Yes, guys.
I swear to God, if these taste good.
I swear to God, if these.
Bro, what if they taste plain though?
Oh, I thought it didn't have any seal on it. If it didn't have any seal on it, I'll bring it back to Walmart.
Seriously, guys.
Yes, I'll bring it back to. I'm so hungry, guys. I really need this. Double dip.
Quadruple dip. Quadruple
dip. Triple dip. Oh God. This thing is hard. Guys.
It's like little mini waffles.
This thing is freaking hard.
Auntie, you know people actually make like little mini pancakes and then they put milk in it with syrup. Dude, I be seeing that junk be... No, Auntie, you can't get none of this.
It's a hard. It's either in the microwave it properly. I think I put it too wrong.
Don't put that much.
Let's see on the box for extra. Oh shit, it actually support. Oh, you can't get that over.
Who finna put that in?
Two stuff.
Messed up.
Look good, I ain't got no lie with
I'm
you.
saying. It look like you got shit on it.
What my spoon on?
I'm a nose hole.
That's mine right there.
Come on.
I'm not real. Guys, it's not the waffle. The waffle tastes good. But I think I didn't do it properly. I think I had too much minutes. And then it was hot, then I put it down. And it kind of get cold. I don't know how the cereal tastes. How it tastes.
It tastes like it already got sugar in it.
So guys, I'm not going to eat off this. Because...
What are you doing?
So guys,
This one tastes like it already got sugar in it.
I don't know how that is. You like it?
It tastes like it already got sugar in it. It's pretty good though. I think cereal won this round. Low key. That aftertaste too.
Cereal.
That milk was a little bit colder, boy.
You want the cola?
Yes. Cause we left it, remember?
Hey guys. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and please remember to turn on your post notification so that when you start to talk actually, so when a video come out, you'll be the first to get it. Our post notification shout out goes to Nazim Ali
for commenting looking good on our last post. The video is called Quarantine Party, and you guys will see it. Just go on our channel and you will see it.
Yes,
but guys, make sure you like all of our videos,
comment,
so
subscribe.
We can give you a shout out, and make sure you be the first to comment so you can get a shout out.
And please guys, watch all our video. Please do watch it out. Watch out all the video. Please don't skip it out. Just watch all the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.